Stop saving 10% of your income. It's a trap that's keeping you broke. Everything you've been told about put a little aside each month is wrong. It feels like you're doing the right thing, yet you're still living one unexpected bill away from disaster. You skip coffees, cancel nights out, scrimp and save. And for what? To stare at a savings account that barely moves? It's like a leaky bucket. Every emergency just sucks it dry again. The worst part? No matter how much you try to save, you never feel secure. What if your car dies tomorrow? What if you lose your job? Would your so-called savings save you, or leave you scrambling? And they told you be patient, it'll add up. Lies. While you're struggling, others are investing, traveling, getting ahead. You followed the rules, but where did it get you? Nowhere. But what if the real problem isn't you? What if there's a simple rule, a 20% rule, that flips the script and actually works? A rule the rich quietly swear by, but no one taught us. This isn't about cutting more expenses or forcing yourself to suffer. It's about how you save, and it's a game changer. So why is 20% the magic number that can break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? And how can you start using it right now to take back control of your money? Step 1. Know your 20%. Here's the secret. 20% of your income should go directly to savings. Not 5%, not 10%, 20%. Why? Because anything less than that just isn't enough to build real financial security. $2,500 month take-home pay. Save $500 month, $4,000 month take-home pay. Save $800 month, $50,000 year take-home pay. Save $10,000 per year. Step 2. Automate it. Pay yourself first. Now, the trick is to automate it so you don't even have to think about it. Set up an automatic transfer of 20% of your paycheck to a separate savings account as soon as your paycheck hits. Most people wait until the end of the month to save. That's why they fail. Instead, your savings should go out first, before you touch your money. Treat it like a bill you must pay. I get it. Maybe 20% sounds impossible right now. That's okay. The key is to start where you can and build up. Step 3. Start small. Increase over time. If 20% is too much, start with 5%. Then bump it to 10% next month. Keep raising it bit by bit. And in a few months, you'll hit 20% without even feeling it. Bonus tip, if you get a raise, increase your savings, not your spending. That's how you level up fast. Let's say you start saving 20% today. How much will that give you? $500 per month saved equals $6,000 per year. $800 per month saved equals $9,600 per year. $1,000 per month saved equals $12,000 per year. $60,000 in 5 years. This isn't just about money, it's about freedom. No more stress about bills. No more panic when emergencies hit. You take control. So now you know, saving 10% isn't enough. 20% is the key to getting ahead. The question is, will you take action, or will you stay stuck in the same cycle? If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button so more people see it. And if you want weekly money hacks to transform your finances, subscribe now.